Hey, 30-minute marketers. Have you ever been working on a landing page and you almost have it perfect, but an issue like line spacing inside of Thrive Themes is giving you a headache? Let me show you how to fix that in this Thrive Themes tutorial. Inside of Thrive Architect, we're talking about drag to set line spacing. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. And to do that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, ring the bell for notification of future videos. Also, don't forget to check out the link in the description and the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint to start your own online business today. Remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And today we are focused on fixing this perfect landing page with getting the spacing between this text element and this box. As you can see here, we're inside of WordPress and we're going to be editing this with Thrive Architect. So we'll go ahead and click on the Edit with Thrive Architect button. And once that loads up, what we have here is our text element. And then below that, we have a button element. So this text element, we want to make sure we have enough space. We want to get the line spacing perfect though. So we'll just enter a carriage return, another carriage return, and maybe a third carriage return, and that fixed it, or did it? See, now we have this huge space here between the last line of text and the button, because what we've done is we entered 3 carriage returns. So we would like a better way to control the line spacing. So we'll go ahead and we'll delete those 3 carriage returns. We'll be back in that same spot we were. So we'll click on the text button, and under here, under main options, what you see now is an option called line spacing. And you can see these pixel settings, and you can see these dotted lines. See how the double arrow pops up there on the top? The double arrow pops up on the bottom dotted line where it says 7 pixels. What we want to do is we want to add spacing. So we just drag this down until we get the exact number of pixels we want. Say we'll go with 32. And now we have the perfect spacing between convincing headline and our text button. We'll go ahead, we will save and exit. And now we have the perfect spacing between our text element and our button on our landing page with a simple drag and drop setting inside of Thrive Architect. So as a quick summary, what we did is we clicked on the text element, which you can see from the breadcrumb up here, landing page, background section, columns, column, content box, text. And once you're in text under main options, if you were to select the menu here, you expand it under main options. Again, we are dealing with line spacing. As you can see, the visual representation of the spacing from the bottom dotted line up, all you do is simply drag that to exactly where you want it. And as you can see, it's going to give you a visible representation of the spacing. And when you get it the perfect number of pixels, and you just save your work, and again, you have the perfect landing page. If this video was helpful, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the link in the description and the pinned first comment. Check out the 30-minute timer here. Click on that to subscribe to the channel. Check out the videos here on the end screen for more awesome content on how to use Thrive Architect, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.